Hello, Jay here from Tribe Moon Ceremonial Grade Cacao, and welcome to day number 6 of the free 10-part Ceremonial Grade Cacao course. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about why Ceremonial Grade Cacao is known as the superfood that kids love. So before I go into that, if you'd like to get the free 10-part course, make sure you go to our website, tribemooncacao.com, and just sign up to the mailing list, and you'll get it all emailed to your inbox. And please do us a favor, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Okay, so why do kids love Ceremonial Grade Cacao so much? So I remember when I was a kid and my mom would feed me lots of chocolate and it was awesome, and my dentist loves me for it these days. I wish I'd known about Ceremonial Grade Cacao when I was a kid, because I would have eaten that all the time. So one of the things you find with kids is that they want it to taste good. And things like, back in the day when maybe you were younger, things like carob chocolate and these other alternatives, they just didn't taste good. Now, sorry if there's anyone there that thinks carob chocolate tastes good, but I think it tastes terrible. Now, I come from a background as a chef, as well as a ceremonialist and all the other things I do. But when we created Tribe Moon Cacao, I wanted it to be the most silky smooth, luscious, thick and smooth chocolate flavor we could possibly create. So the number one reason why I think kids love it so much is because of the taste. It just tastes unbelievable. So the recipes you can make with the ice creams, the bliss balls, the slices, the cakes, all these different things that kids love. And guys, they'll never notice the difference between that and real chocolate. It's not possible, but the difference, it's really great for them. It's great for their blood, it's great for their skin, it's great for their teeth, it's great for the well-being, it's great for their health, it's great for all these things. And if you want to know more about all these specifics, make sure you go and check out the rest of this course, because there's heaps on all the physical and metaphysical things about cacao. And the best thing of all for all the parents out there is that it's guilt-free. You can give your kids heaps of this stuff and not feel bad about it. And I often get messages from parents saying the profound impact and difference that they've seen in their kids' personalities, the way they're behaving, their actions, and even their love, the way they're giving more love back to the parents and their friends and family because of that beautiful heart-opening capacity of the cacao. Now guys, there's heaps of recipes on our website, so make sure you check it out. There's recipes going up all the time. You can make the recipes as healthy or as unhealthy as you wish, but really, with all the raw and vegan recipes on our site, plus all the things that are out there, things like date syrups and agave syrup and the natural sweeteners, there's no use for sugar anymore. There's no need for any sort of chemically compounded ingredients. You can use all raw ingredients for the ice creams, no nuts and bananas. You don't need to use any of the standard ice cream, no milk, nothing like that, okay? You can use almond milk or macadamia milk or coconut milk. They're all incredible alternatives, and they taste way better when you start mixing them with these cacao recipes. So get creative, have some fun, fill your kids' lunch boxes with these amazing things that are going to make them feel amazing, give them heaps of energy, and they'll have a ball along the way. So that's it for today, guys. In the next episode, I'm going to be talking about cacao with sacred sexuality and why it's so popular with couples and lovers. Thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you in the next episode.